Right. We are back. Back for chapter 15. We know how to factorize. We know how to find the roots of an equation. And today we shall go for factorizing 2.0. Teacher, what is factorizing 2.0? Factorizing quadratic equations, for example, 6x squared. So far you only received x squared. So it's time to factorize these types. 3x squared plus 13x plus 4, chapter 15. Thank you. Page 344. 313.4. Yes, factorize this. All right. How and where do we start? We start with, yes, you start with the front. You do not have x squared anymore. You have 3x squared. So you need to look for two numbers, whole numbers. When you multiply them with each other, they become 3. So you have 1 and 3, or 3 and 1. Now, that is settled. 3x squared. I need to look for two numbers multiply with each other that form 3. 1 and 3. Second step. Two numbers multiply with each other become 4. 1 and 4 and 2 and 2. Since you practiced a lot, you know in advance both numbers have to be positive. Why? Because I have two positive numbers there. That is when you practice, you notice these things immediately. Two positive numbers here and there. So by definition, these two numbers also are positive. Next step. They call this the trial and error method. What is the trial and error method? Correct. You place all the possible solutions in there and see which one is correct. That is why you need to know the first option or be able to do it as quickly as possible. So when you get to these exercises, you can do these as quickly as possible. So the options are, I know both are positive. The options are 1, 4. Another possibility, yes, is 4 and 1. Do we have more? Certainly, we have x plus 2, 3x plus 2. Those are the three options that I have. And then we pose the question, which one is correct? Easy. You already know this one is correct, and you already know that this one is correct. The only thing you're looking for is the one in the middle. So, what is the one in the middle again? Two numbers added with each other become 13x. So, first one, x times 4, 4x. Add 1 times 3x, 3x. So I have here 4x plus 3x. Does that become 13x? No. So this is not a solution. Continue. X times 1 is 4x. 4 times 3 is 12x. Together, 16x. Is this a possible solution? No. And then I only have one solution left, so by definition, that is the answer. But of course, you shall make it to see if it's the right answer. X times 2, you have 2x. 2 times 3 equals 6x. Oh wait, did I make a mistake somewhere? Where? Oh, where? 1 second. Where am I? Oh yes, x times 1 is x plus 12x. You get 13x. This is the answer. Yes, this is. This is the answer. Yes. Yes, Timothy? Yes.
So in the first, like, brackets, why is it 3x there?
Why is it 3x there? What do you mean?
Why isn't it there? You put x plus 1 instead.
What would you like me to place there?
Okay, so when Theo factorizes the number below, so when you put it into brackets, there's always x plus 1, 3x plus 4.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what I want to understand is, does the 3x always has to be in the second?
No, it doesn't matter where you place them. It's all the same. Doesn't matter. Another one. More complicated one. 6, 11, 3. Plus 3. All right, we go again. Two numbers multiplied with each other need to be 6, which is 1, 6, 2, and 3. Those are the possible solutions. Two numbers multiplied with each other become 3. That's easy. It's only one solution. 1 and 3. Yes? So what are my solutions? I have 6x and x. Or I have 2x and 3x. These are the possible solutions I have. So you take your pencil and then you see which one is correct. It's either 1, 3 or 3, 1. You can switch them. If I place 1, 3, what do I get? 6x multiplied by 3 equals 18x, and I know in advance that is incorrect because I have 11. So I know in advance that is the wrong one. I can place 3 here, 1 there. So I get 6 times, or 6x times 1 is 6x. 3 times x, 3x is 9, which is not enough. So this is not a possible solution. And then you continue. What do you get? You have 3 and 1, or 1 and 3, or 3 and 1. Those are the two possibilities. All right, start with 1 and 3. 2 times 2x times 3 equals 6x. 1 times 3x equals 3x, so that's 9x. So 1 and 3 is not a possibility. Then you go for 3 and 1. 2x times 1 equals 2x. 3 times 3x equals 9x. When you add them together, 11x. That is my answer. This is my answer. That's how you go at it. The only one you're looking for is the one in the middle.
If we ever get a test and we have this right, can we use a pencil so that we can actually not make a messy calculations?
You have to do it. You have to do it. How you get to the answer?
No, how do I write down the like how
The solution?
See, because if I write the solution, you're going to just take it away because I didn't explain how I got to it. How am I supposed to?
Maybe like have arrows that we
No, when you do it, of course you try a lot on paper, then you just give this answer. You have to know, it's like this. You say this is A, B, B and C. You can look at it that way, A, B, C, and D. Or let me find an easier way. You just say two numbers multiply with each other equals 6. You can write these two, like that. You place the possible solutions, just to make it quicker. You place like 1, 3, just the way I did it, 1, 3. And then when you get to the right answer, you actually make it. Just make it. You do this, do that, and then you know the answer is 6x squared plus 11x plus 3. Most of the time, there's only one given. Most tests, it's only one given. Gives you like 2 points at the most, just for the answer.
I have a question. Like, would it be too much work to go with the step-by-step method as to how you got to the answer?
In your exam, you don't have that much space. You have like something like this, not much space. What? And then we have another solution. Solution, possibility. What if your answer is always, and get an easy one. Two, three, one. Minus. 1 second. 9x, 961. Factorize this quadratic equation. These are the simplest ones. Why are they the simplest ones? The one only has one solution. What multiplied by what equals 1.
What? 1.
So the answer in the back is always 1. The one in the back is always 1. What multiplied by what is 1? 1. That is the only possible solution. So the thing you need to look for is what? Here. Possible solutions here. So you have, to get 9, you have 1, 9, 3, and 3. So the answer is either 9x, x, or 3x squared.
Plus 1 square.
Yes? Or you can write it like this. It's the same thing. 3x plus 1 squared. So, going at the first one, 9x plus, multiply by 1 is 9x, add 1 is 10x, so it cannot be this one. This is not the answer. 3x times 1 is 3x, add 1 times 3x, 6x. That is your answer. These are the easiest ones to do. These are the easiest ones. Always plus 1 in the back. Yes, you multiply the one in the front with the one in the back, and then the two ones in the middle. Yes, here and here. Yes, this multiplied by that, add this multiplied by that. And it has to be, yes, the one in the middle, 6. Because you already know the one in the back, and you already know the one in the front. Only one thing you're looking for is the one in the middle. Easy peasy. Wow. So, we've done factorizing. And the last thing regarding factorizing is solve x. Sorry? Sorry? Let me write an answer. Oh, that same thing. This one. We'll stay with the same one. Equals 0. So what is the first step? Factorize. Yes? Renata? When you get one like this, where you have to find the roots, you don't have to explain how you get to the factorization. You just write the factors. Yes? So when you have this, you have to go here. Do you have to explain how you got there? No. You do it on your paper in the back. 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1. You already know it. Equals 0. So, what is the again? Either this is 0 or that is 0. So you have 3x equals minus 1. And then you get x equals minus a third. Both are the same, correct. What does that mean? It means it only has one root. It means your equation does this. It touches the x-axis in one place. Then in contrast to other ones that do this. Yes? It touches it only at one place. Because you only have one answer. Yes, you only have one root because the answers are the same. You tell me why. Yes. What?
Yes, money for money is circle and total thing angles.
Circle theorems. Of course, it's already in your paper too.
Why are you asking something that everyone knows right now?
Yes, it's gonna keep coming back.
You could be
Every
in your
test.
90s and suddenly your grandchildren like, "Porque mais tenta bem practice você pergunta novo, né?
If they want. Yes. We have sessions specially for that. When we practice exams.
There are practice exam papers laying around.
Exactly.
What do you mean
Yes.
exactly? That doesn't even make sense.
Oh, these are easy ones.
I need them for practice.
I have to print a few. I? Oh, that's a lot. J. 5x squared plus 13x minus 18. 5, 13, 18. Plus 13 minus 18. Find the roots of this equation. First step, factorize. Or, first step, you need to find which two numbers become 5 and which two numbers become 18, negative 18. For 5, it's easy, it's prime number, it's 5 and 1. Now, if you look closely, I have a negative here and a positive there. That means my answers have to be positive and negative. One has to be positive, one has to be negative. And then we have 18 or negative 18. Possible solutions 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. Yes? Now you can go by them one by one, or you can start by taking a guess. I know for sure. Wait, it might be 1 and 18. No, because 5 times 18, no. If 18 is here, 18 minus, yes, it's 1 and 18. 1 and 18. Why 1 and 18? I place 18 here. I place 1 there. 18x minus 5x, positive 13x. Boom, that's the answer immediately. That's how quick you should be able to do it in tests. It doesn't matter because this is positive. Yes? Yes, you're not finished. This is the first step. This is factorizing. So what is it? 5x plus 18 is 0, or x minus 1 equals 0. X equals 1. So x equals this is 3. Yes? The more you practice, the easier it comes. Yes? Yes? Another one. Yes? If you speak, you will be distracted and you will not get what was explained. Another one.
5x plus 11 plus 2 equals less to 8.
5, 11, and 2. 5x squared plus 11x plus 2. Easy. First step, oh, equals 0. So 5x plus unknown number, and then I have x plus unknown number equals 0. Why are both positive? Because both here are also positive. So there's no possible way that one is negative and positive or negative and negative. So something multiplied by something equals 2. There's only one solution. That's 2 and 1. So it's either 2, 1 or 1, 2. Those are the only possible solutions. So you go with the first one, 2 times x, 2x, plus 6x, plus 5x is 8x, so it's not that one. So it's 1 and 2. Yes? 1 times x is x, 5x times 2, 10x
10 plus 1
is 11. So that is the answer.
Your ball looks like a cell.
But are you done? Of course not. You need to find the roots. 5x plus 1 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. 5x equals negative 1, or x equals negative 2. X equals negative 1/5.
Wait.
Well, this is linear equations.
I know.
Yes. What is like this? Which one? This is the ABC formula.
ABC, sí.
We will get there as well. It doesn't matter. Yes? So when you get something like this, what does it mean in regards to chapter 16? Wait, what time is it? In regards to chapter 16, you know in advance, this is a, where are you? A smiley parabola. Goes down. Yes, it goes down. So, the intersection with the x-axis happens where? At minus a fifth and minus 2. So you know when they say sketch, which happens quite often, done. That's it. You don't even have to draw tables, no need. Pop, because you already know the roots. One thing we are missing is the top, which we shall talk about next lessons. We can also find that one. Find the top, find the roots, and you can just sketch it in 2 seconds. Yes.
We are doing 2 papers lesson.